To create accurate shadings using value in your portrait, you must first understand how to shade basic geometrical forms. To do this, we will create a shape and add value to it. If we accomplish this, we can create the illusion of a form. We do this by manipulating the value in correspondence to the light source. You will need to create a highlight, a core shadow, and a midtone. The placement of the light source will determine the values of the form. The highlight is where the light is hitting the most, the midtone is the middle value of the form, the core shadow is the darkest place. In some cases, there's a reflected highlight where light bounces off the surrounding area and causes a reflection to form on the form. We are going to practice this by creating a sphere, a cube, and a cylinder. To start off, let's begin with the sphere. Draw a circle very lightly on the page. Note that during this whole video, the light source will be in the top right-hand corner. Begin with shading the area of core shadow. Gradually build up the dark value and decrease pressure the closer you get to the highlight. The highlight is the closest place to the light source. You can always go back and darken what needs to be darkened, however you can't go lighter, so don't go too dark on your first round. Next, we're going to work on the cube. Draw a cube on your paper very lightly. Each face of the cube will have a different value since the faces are very sharp, unlike the rounded form of the circle. The darkest would be the face farthest from the light source, the highlight would be the closest, and the middle is the midtone. Moving on to the cylinder, which is similar to the sphere in its roundness. There is a reflected highlight on the far end, so we're going to keep it white. Slowly go from dark to light from the area farthest from the light source to the area that's closest. And that's it. Using these skills, we practice turning a shape into a form using value.